Working with text in Google Docs is very simple. So let's say you make a mistake when typing, you can use the backspace key to delete the previous words or text. But if you are in between words or text like that, you can use the backspace key to delete the words that are before the cursor, this blinking cursor here. You can use the delete key to delete the words that are after the cursor. That's the difference between the backspace key and the delete key in Google Docs. This is also the same if you are familiar with Microsoft Word. The way you do it there, this is how you do it here. Google is very intelligent such that it's going to notice all the changes and the mistakes you are making in your document. So as you are typing, you're going to notice that some words are going to be misspelled. They're not going to be spelled correctly. Google Docs is going to underline them with the red underline, meaning that this word does not exist in the Google Docs dictionary. So what you have to do here is correct this spelling or ignore it if that's what you want. So how you can fix this is right click on the word, then you're going to see the correct spelling for that. Choose that, or you can actually ignore it if that's not the correct way to go about it. But most of the times you're going to see the correct spelling shown like that. So just click on that, then this is fixed. Also here you're going to see that right click on it and insert the correct one. Here, we want it to be wanted. So if you need help coming up with the correct spelling, just right click on the word that you want to find the correct spelling. The suggested spellings are going to appear. Just click on the one that you want to use and you are good to go. Might be in a position where you have to move text around to copy things from one place to the other, or just to move things from one place to the other. For instance, let's highlight this paragraph here on top. When we highlight this, you can just press Ctrl C to copy it on the keyboard, or you can come to edit, then you're going to see the copy option. Just click there, then you can click somewhere else where you want to paste this, and you can come to edit here and you are going to see the paste option. This is how you can copy one paragraph from where it is to another position. This is one way to go about it. To undo this action, you can just come here and you click undo, then you can also move paragraphs from one place to the other. You can move paragraphs, you can also move words or single characters in a document. In this case, we want to move this entire paragraph from where it is to a different position. So we highlight it by just clicking and holding on the mouse and dragging on top of the paragraph like that. Then you can come as usual to this edit menu. When you click there, you're going to see the cut option. This time we want to cut it. When we cut, it's now removed from where it is, but it's on the clipboard. Now we can move the cursor to a different position and we can paste this by coming back to this edit and you're going to see the paste option. That's how you can cut and paste the paragraph from one position to the other. There are also shortcut keys when it comes to cutting and pasting or copying things. When you want to copy something, you can just highlight it and you press Ctrl C on the keyboard, then move the cursor to where you want this paragraph to be, then you press Ctrl V on the keyboard to paste it. Just like that. This is the faster way. Then also you can highlight the paragraph that you want to cut, use the shortcut keys, press Ctrl X on the keyboard to cut the paragraph from where it is, then move the cursor to a position where you want to paste your paragraphs, then press Ctrl V. So Ctrl X is for cutting, Ctrl V is for pasting. Ctrl C is for copying, then Ctrl V is for pasting. Highlighting text can be difficult for many people. So just click and hold the left button on the mouse and move over the text that you want to highlight. And you can see now the text is highlighted with a blue background. This means that this text is highlighted. Now you can cut it by pressing Ctrl X. You can also undo by pressing Ctrl Z on the keyboard or by just clicking on these tools on top here. In a document where you have so many different words or pages, sometimes you're going to have to deal with looking for specific words in your document. In a document where you have so many paragraphs, it might be difficult for you to look for a specific word, but lucky enough, in Google Docs, you have a feature that can help you to easily find the word you're looking for in your document. For you to be able to find any word or words you're looking for in your document in Google Docs, you have to click on the menu, the edit menu. When you click there, then you are going to come down here, the last option. you are going to see find and replace. You click there, it's going to open this dialog box. This dialog box, the first option here is there to help you find the word you're looking for. For instance, let's type hope here. We're looking for the word hope, and when you type this in, it's going to actually show us that it's actually 6 times in this document. And if let's say we want to replace this word with something else, you can also do that. Just like in Microsoft Word here, we can do that. You can say actually genuinely hope, for instance. So we're going to replace hope with genuinely hope. Then you can find the match case. If that's what we're looking for, we can just click there. Then it's going to do the magic for us. And we can use regular expressions, e.g., these regular expressions that are shown here. If that's what you are interested in, you can replace this one by one, but we can just click on all at once, so it does the work for us. Then you can close this window by just clicking on X there. Then you can see now here we have I genuinely hope. Here also it's changed. Down here it's also changed. When you scroll down, you're going to see that all these other paragraphs they have we genuinely hope. This is how you can easily find any word in Google Docs, and this is how you can simply replace any words in Google Docs just like that. Now you've learned how to work with text in Google Docs. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.